Metropolitan. From late tonight to Wednesday evening, until the warning is canceled. At 8:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 6.4 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast, rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight, and continue to rise to near 11.5 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 13.0 feet. The first evacuations begin in village of North Branch and Trout 28 and Vonderveer Avenue.